Training new support reps can feel overwhelming, but with the right internal help desk tools, you can make the process streamlined and efficient. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to train new support reps with internal help desk tools, quickly and easily. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First, when you start training new support reps, the key is to get them comfortable with the tools they'll be using daily. If you're using a help desk software to manage customer support, that's going to be your go-to platform for training. The sooner they're hands-on with it, the better. Start by setting up mock tickets for your new hires to work through. This allows them to familiarize themselves with the interface, how to prioritize, and how to respond to common issues. Ensure they know how to use the knowledge base effectively. This will be their first line of defense when resolving customer problems. A great help desk tool will allow reps to easily search through the knowledge base and find solutions to customer issues quickly. The more they practice with this, the faster they'll learn the ropes. Another vital component is teaching them how to escalate tickets appropriately. Not every problem can be solved at the support rep level, so it's essential they know when and how to escalate an issue to higher level support. This ensures that customers get the help they need without bottlenecking your team's workflow. Additionally, provide them with real-world scenarios during the training. Simulate actual customer issues and have the reps troubleshoot and resolve them. The software we'll be using offers detailed reporting and analytics, which can be a valuable resource for tracking the reps' progress and identifying areas where they need further training. This data-driven approach helps ensure that reps are improving and becoming more confident in their roles. Once they've gotten the hang of it, have your new support reps shadow experienced team members. Shadowing is an excellent way for them to see how the software is used in action, while also learning customer interaction best practices. The goal is to build their confidence with the help desk software and with real customer scenarios. By now, your new support reps should have a solid understanding of how to navigate the help desk software. Before they go live with real customers, give them the opportunity to run through a few practice runs, resolving tickets and using all the features the tool offers. This gives them a final test run where they can ask questions and feel prepared. To make sure your reps are always improving, provide ongoing training and regular check-ins. Use the performance data your software provides to guide these sessions. Whether it's responding quicker or resolving more complex issues, data from your internal help desk tools will help identify where they need additional support. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try the software we've used in this video for free. The link to that exclusive trial is in the description below, so be sure to check it out and follow along. Key takeaway. The best way to train new support reps is to get them hands-on with your internal help desk tools, set up mock scenarios, provide ongoing training, and use performance data to guide them. Doing this will get your new team members up to speed quickly and efficiently. To recap, set up mock tickets, teach them to use the knowledge base, show them how to escalate issues, and offer them real-world scenarios and shadowing opportunities. Remember, you've got an exclusive free trial link to try out the software we've used in the video. Take advantage of that and get started today. Thanks for watching.